Tidewater Cheryl Tide is the newest addition to the global fleet of vessels depending on Thrustmaster retractable thruster systems. In the offshore industry, the ability for a supply vessel or tug to stand off and hold position relative to a platform or production vessel is imperative. Under most circumstances, Thrustmaster standard bow and stern tunnel thrusters provide perfect service to the industry. However, on the ocean, not all conditions are perfect. The standard inline thruster can be challenged by sea and wind conditions, causing pitch and bringing the tunnels close enough to the surface to create cavitation, sometimes reducing efficiency down to zero. Thrustmaster's retractable thrusters can be retrofit to existing vessels to add increased maneuverability, or can be designed into the vessel from the beginning. At the design stage, it's determined if the installation is to be a fully capped design which completely closes to conform to the hull shape, or retracts into a tunnel where it can perform as both tunnel thruster and dynamic position station keeping.
What we have here is a test setup. We have a retractable thruster that we put in a test stand so that we can test it at just about every phase that it's going to be operating at on a vessel. Real estate on a bridge is hard to come by, so we are miniaturizing all of our controls. You can command it to a specific angle. As you turn it, it will go to that exact angle, and you can just thrust ahead to get the vessel to go in that direction. Control system is also set up to automatically find home and retract once the raise button is pressed. You don't have to go searching for home or anything. The computer in the thruster system will do that for you. So all the operator has to do is press the raise button, and everything else is taken care of by the system.
In the extended position, the thruster allows full 360-degree azimuth steering in both manual and automatic DP modes. Aboard the Cheryl Tide, Thrustmaster Service Manager Russell Hendricks describes another component of the retractable thruster system.
This is our main interface panel for the entire system. All the steering controls are connected to this, all the feedback signals are connected to this, and they're all processed by our smart amplifier card. Smart amplifier card takes several different input commands, manual, DP, or the full follow-up, and interprets that signal, and in turn generates a specific output signal to make the thruster respond in accordance with what the operator wants. This smart amplifier card is not something new. We've had this in service about 5 or 6 years, but this has replaced a lot of standard relays. What we still have to use relays to switch signals between components. This card eliminates the need for a lot of those because of the internal process. The smart amplifier card has a couple of user interface points where you can use for calibration. We come in here and we have this CPOS. This is a reference to the commander position that is being given to the smart amplifier card. If you select this, you'll see that the input command is now 270 degrees. That means that when the full follow-up steering is energized and the thruster is extended, it will steer to 270 degrees. And this also happens to be the home position. We can go back and look at our feedback, and you can see that it is at home right now in its stored location. A lot more efficient with the main contact. lot more efficient than the main pumps.
Time on the thruster was approximately 22 seconds.
One major advantage of the Thrustmaster hydraulic retractable thruster is that the motor and pump can be placed anywhere on the vessel. As seen here, large smooth radius angles are highly recommended where possible for better flow and reduced noise. Retractable hydraulic and electric thrusters range from 75 to 3,000 horsepower depending on the application. Current information on retractable thrusters and other Thrustmaster propulsion and thruster systems, visit our website at www.thrustmastertexas.com or visit our Houston, Texas facility.